how to buy good DAI token. So this token came under the symbol of DAI. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the risk account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created, as you can see here, by 13 hours ago and increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, this token trending number 2 in the Pulse chain network. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Now click here to copy the token address and now open your wallet. I will use the BitKit wallet for that, as you can see. Now we'll just log into my wallet for that. After that, what you need to do, just select the Pulse chain from here, as you can see, the Pulse chain. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your networks. Now just as you can see, after I will just search for it again, Pulse chain, and I'll click on it. So after you select your network, now click on this plus icon and press token this in the search bar, as you can see. So it seems that this token is not available on our wallet. So what you need to do, there is on the other way, it's by clicking on trade PDAI to Pulse chain. Now if you click on it, click here to expand this window and you will be able to redirect it to goplus.com. Now after that, what you need to do, just wait a few seconds. Now you need to, as you can see here, switch to Pulse chain and you need to connect your wallet. I will just log into my Trust wallet for that. Now after that, click on unlock and now click on switch, and after that you connect your wallet to goplus.com. You need to select your token from here that you can pay with. I will use the with, as you can see. Now you can type how much you want to buy. As you can see, now here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, click on swap and up will be appear here from your wallet that you connected to complete my process. So this is how to buy PDAI token. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.